Yeah, I just did a video chat with Wake the Dead, and I even made a video of him doing a hard mic slam. Yeah, for my healing process, which is cool. Love you, man. I love all my subscribers. I want to take a piss. Listen to this. That was a weak one. Must not have held it long enough. Yeah. But when you gotta go, right? The good thing is it's nice and clean. It's nice and clean. Let's take off these damn Google glasses because I don't need them for seeing. I only need them for reading. So yeah, I'm hungry. Yeah. I am hungry. So a lot of storming last night, hey. Yeah, a lot of storming last night. You know what I'm gonna make? Fuck it. You know what I'm gonna make? Fuck it. You know what I'm gonna make? Fuck it. I'm gonna make some frickin'... What the hell is this? Oh, pizza, huh? For breakfast. I'm gonna make for breakfast. Yeah. Now, banquet chicken and tater tots. Yeah, fuck it. You know? Once in a while, you just gotta say, you know what? Fuck it. You know? Once in a while, you just gotta say, fuck it. Ooh, I found a leg. Oh my god, I found a leg. Where did that come from? I found a leg, and I don't even know what this is. Oh. I got 2 pieces left. Look like breast. Breast is okay. Breast, I like breasts. I like pink nipples too. Yeah. I don't know if I like pink nipples because I got pink nipples. Yeah, but hey, yeah. Okay. So I got a leg. Where did that come from? Yeah, I think I grabbed the wrong one because, I like, the legs and wings. That, I like that dark meat. Yeah, I got a cast iron stomach, so, yeah. I got cast iron. I'm probably the only guy, that would eat something like this for breakfast. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. 375, that worked real good last time, so I'm going to do it again. 375. Yes! Yes! This is what I'm talking about. Yeah! Ha 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 ha! Na 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 na! See, I kind of like this time off. It's kind of weird though, that I prayed to God that I could get some time off, because they've been having me working every day, working every day, and I thought I had kidney stones, that kind of really sucked when you got to work when you got kidney stones, but I wish it was kidney stones because this shit would have been over with, I didn't know I had a torn colon with a hole in my bladder. I didn't know that. And when I was shitting out of my dick, that really got fucked up, And then when I went to work, I couldn't pee. That really fucked up too. I couldn't pee and I couldn't shit. So that really, really, really got fucked up. But anyhow, I'm above that now. You just heard me piss. And I'm shitting fine. I'm pissing fine. Actually, my piss is getting clear. My shit's turning into logs, Put another log on the fire. Cook me up some bacon and some beans. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's throw some light on the subject, yeah. Hey, you can see me a little better. I'm gonna go and brush my hair just for you guys, you gals. Yeah, so I got this new rule now. I'm not gonna be making no more videos with the WWE or none of that shit. Like no music in the background, none of that shit. Cause I don't want to lose my channel. No, I don't want to lose my channel. I like my channel. I stuck thousands of dollars into my channel. Thousands. I'm probably the only one that really cares. I really care about my channel. And I actually, talking with Wake the Dead today, actually live video, with Wake the Dead. And, it feels so good. Yeah, I believe I'm part dog. Sometimes when I'm at Walmart, when I see motherfuckers, I just want to bark at them. Maybe I am a dog. I would just want to bark at people. I don't know why. I'm fucking going crazy. Crazy. Crazy for feeling so lonely. Y'all ever watch my very first YouTube video? Did y'all ever watch my very first YouTube video? Huh? Did y'all? Have y'all ever seen my very first YouTube video? So I'm kind of wondering if I could put these in a toaster. Oh, just a little too big. Damn. 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 Shit. Well, I could probably put it on top. And I'll put it on top of the toaster. Like this. Like that. And jack up the heat. Okay, like that. There we go. I'm going to do that. Jack up the heat. Jack up the heat. So, that's how it works, right? That's how it works, right? Heat comes up. You can cook on top of your toaster. I love this new toaster. I just bought it, $20, Hey, if it's $20, it's, it's worth it, right? I like this toaster. I needed a new toaster. Everything happens for a reason because my old toaster got really nasty from doing shit like this. I make my toast. This is the 4-slicer. I think the other one was a 4-slicer. I'm not sure, but I think it was a 2-slicer. I'm not sure, but anyhow. That I'm that kind of freaky guy that I do my toast, I put the garlic on, put the butter on it, put it back in there and retoast it. Well, after doing that for 15 years, it gets kind of gross and nasty. Shit starts piling up and building up and gets really nasty, I'm not one of them kind of guys that, I'm not going to tear the thing apart and clean it. Once in a while I take out that little thing on the bottom, and brush it off, clean it, whatever. I do it that way, yeah. Sometimes I'll scrape the top off, But, yeah, it was starting to get pretty nasty, so Everything happens for a reason, you know what I mean? Yeah, we had some crazy ass weather. All day yesterday and all night. Oh boy. I guess some roads are flooded out and shit. We had a lot of fucking rain last night. Ooh, doggy. Yeah, so yesterday I went to Tim Nell's. He borrowed me $50. And now I got a half a tank of gas, so I'm okay. You know, I'm alright. I got gas now to go anywhere. You know, it sucks when you have a vehicle and you can't go nowhere. You know, I got a whole week off. So if I got to do an appointment, I'm supposed to be doing this appointment. You know, the hospital is supposed to schedule me an appointment to see this neurologist. You know, neurologist, I think that's the name of the word. It's for your bladder, for your pee-pee, you know? Yeah, so. Oh, I forgot to time it. I don't know. I don't know if there is a timer for this chicken shit. I had chicken shit. 20 minutes, I think. I never read the box. Let me see. Ooh, something smells really bad. Oh, the toaster. Oh, my God. It's burning. Oh my God. It's burning. Oh my God. That is nasty. Only the bottom is burnt. That's okay. A little smoke flavor. Good thing I noticed that. Or I smelt it. This place has no smoke detectors. Yeah. I should get on Tim Nose about that. Okay. 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 A little smoky in here. Okay. A little bit smoky in here. Me and my Mrs. Jones, we got a thing going on. Okay, convention. Whoa. It says preheat oven to 400 degrees and bake in center of oven 55 to 60 minutes for a whole hour. Really? Seriously? I don't even think I did it for a whole hour last night. I don't remember. Let me check this out. Ooh. On the top, it's really soft. You know, really soft. But check out the bottom. Check out the bottom. That's why they call me Crazy Carl. I'm really hungry. You know? I'm really freaking hungry. Okay. Now my door won't lock. Huh. The door won't lock. I gotta go poop. I gotta go poop. Hey, everything's going good. My bag is empty. The bag is empty. I'm pooping good. My piss is coming out clear. You know? I got a bullseye today. I did it with Wake the Dead. As long as I get a bullseye, I won't need no surgery. I got my bullseye. Took a while though. I was kind of disappointed, but yeah, I said some magical thing. I don't know what I said, but first dart I threw, and it went in. I mean, like magic. I must have said something good. I wish I videotaped it, you know, but like Wake the Dead said, it's all good because there'll always be tomorrow, you know. And it's like, but it was like a special moment. I said something good, and it just went like magic. I mean, the first dart I threw, after I took them out and reset it, you know, and then the first dart I threw, I mean, it went straight from my fingertips right to the bullseye. But the last time I did it, I hit a double bullseye. I hit the red circle. Now, normally I can hit it every time. I told Wake the Dead, I believe it's all the medication I'm on. You know, I'm taking a lot of medication. Like right now, I should have did this a long time ago. I'm going to 1 o'clock in the afternoon again. So this is kind of like brunch or lunch or breakfast or whatever. I don't know, but yeah. So again, yeah, I'm kind of screwing myself because of my schedule. I'm going to be taking my antibiotic, you know, late. I should have been doing it early in the morning. There is something seriously wrong. Well, I don't think I got any sleep last night. And I don't know if it's because of the thunder and lightning and rain, I don't know what it was, but just flipping out about this baggage, this tubage, you know, this, you know, peeing and pooping problem. You know, I got, and then the bills, I'm supposed to be making these phone calls. I got, like, call up the water department and say, hey, look, you know, I got some health issues, you know, please deal with me, you know, it might be a little while before I get back to work, you know, and like, don't shut my shit off, you know. But if I had $1 million, I wouldn't be in this situation. You know, I'm stressed. I got a lot of stress going on. You know, a lot of stress going on. A lot of stress. I didn't even check the time when I did this. I'm going by smell. That's what I did last night too. I smell this shit cooking. Check it. And what I do is when I take them out, I touch one of the tater tots. If it's kind of hard, they're done. I see a little bit of oil around the chicken, and they're done. The chicken's already cooked. All you're doing is warming it up. So I don't know if people know that. They're not going to put banquet on raw chicken. No. It's frozen. It's been cooked. You know, hey. Banquet chicken's already cooked. You can eat it frozen. I don't advise it, but, you know. Oh, looks like it's going to rain again. Na 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 na. Hey, having fun. Gotta do the garbage. Gotta take the garbage out. Oh, I got a fart. What the hell is going on in here? Nasty ass. What the fucking hell is going on here? Nasty ass. The fuck? Nasty ass. Fucking hell. Nasty ass. Hey, good thing I looked at my lunch bill. There we go. Sometimes when I'm taking my lunch bill, pulling it by the handle, once in a while I might hit a slug or something, and the handle would come out of my fingers and fall on the floor. When that happens, all my shit in my lunch bill sometimes break open and shit and make a fucking mess in there. Yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now. See, I'm always busy fixing something, cleaning something, whatever. Oh boy. Paper towel. Paper towel. Paper towel. Time to clean. Oh boy. But I think this is my first time cleaning this. So everything happens for a reason. Disinfectant. There we go. Leave it open. Let it air out. Oh yeah, that's right. Ah, yeah, okay, yeah. It's all coming to me now. Yes. Duh. 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 Okay, I should need to write a list. I gotta go to the store. Oh, it's raining. I knew it. See that? See that shit? It's fucking raining. Yeah, I forgot all about it today. Damn. I would have been pissed. I would have been